In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge, combine, and join multiple Microsoft Word documents together. If you have several Microsoft Word documents and want to combine them into one document, you can do this directly in Microsoft Word without copying and pasting the content one document at a time. First, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. This will be the main document where all of your other Word files will be combined. Once the blank document is open, place your cursor at the location where you want the content from the other document to appear. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of Microsoft Word, look for the Text section, and select Object. From the available options, choose Text from File. A file selection window will now appear. Use this window to locate the Word document that you want to add to your main document. Select the document and click Insert. Microsoft Word will now insert the contents of that document into your current document. The text, images, tables, and other supported content from the selected file will be added to the main document. If you have another Word document that you want to combine, place your cursor where you want the next document to appear and repeat the same process. Go back to the Insert tab, select Object, and then choose Text from File. Locate the next Word document, select it, and click Insert. You can continue doing this for the other Word documents that you want to combine. The documents will be added to your main file in the order that you insert them. After all the documents have been added, review the combined document carefully. Check the page breaks, headings, spacing, fonts, tables, and other formatting to make sure everything looks correct. Keep in mind that formatting can sometimes change when content from different Word documents is combined, especially when the original documents use different styles, fonts, margins, or page layouts. If you need to change the order of the content, you can edit the combined document and move the sections into the position you want. Once everything looks correct, save the combined document with a new file name. This will give you one Microsoft Word document containing the content from all of the separate files. This method can be especially useful when you have several chapters, reports, assignments, or sections that you want to bring together into a single Word document. And that's how you can merge, combine, and join multiple Microsoft Word documents together using Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,